Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Experiencing those frustrating PS5 shutdowns mid-game? A sudden power-off often points directly to your console overheating. This issue frequently arises when dust accumulates inside, blocking vital vents, or if your PlayStation 5 doesn't have sufficient space to breathe. Proper ventilation is absolutely critical, as it prevents internal components from reaching damaging temperatures and safeguards your console's performance for years to come. First, ensure your PS5 has ample room to breathe. Always position it in a well-ventilated, open area, away from walls and other electronics. Take a few moments to gently clear any dust buildup from the vents and ports using compressed air. This simple step significantly improves airflow. Remember, avoiding enclosed cabinets and soft surfaces like carpet or blankets is key to preventing heat accumulation. Software issues can also trigger shutdowns. Always ensure your PS5 system software is fully updated to the latest version. New updates often include crucial stability improvements. If problems persist, try rebuilding the database through safe mode. This reorganizes your hard drive and can fix corrupted files without deleting games. For more stubborn issues, a complete system software reinstallation might be necessary, also done via safe mode. Don't overlook your power supply setup. A loose or damaged power cable can be the hidden culprit behind those sudden shutdowns. Always ensure the power cord is firmly seated in both the back of your PlayStation 5 and the wall outlet. Consider trying a different wall outlet entirely, perhaps one you know works well, and avoid using power strips or extension cords initially, as they can sometimes introduce instability. If your PS5 continues to shut down after trying these steps, consider a full factory reset. This will wipe your console clean, potentially resolving any deep-seated software conflicts. Remember to back up all your important game save data to the cloud or an external drive first. If the problem still persists, it's time to reach out to PlayStation support directly or consult a certified repair professional. Your console might have a hardware issue, needing expert attention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.